When a 911 caller says his girlfriend is foaming at the mouth and acting demonic, you're thinking medical emergency, not this is about to turn into a full-on fight. Officers show up for what's basically a welfare check. They even say they can't force her to do anything. And then the mood flips fast. And by the end, it's not a bizarre call anymore. It's violence, arrests, and serious charges. All right, quick audit and let's keep it real. This starts exactly how a welfare check should. Officers are trying to confirm she's okay.
Hey Isabel, police department, can you come out? We just need to make sure you're okay.
I'm okay.
Asking if she took anything or drank too much.
Have you taken anything tonight? Have you drank too much tonight?
And they're clear they can't just force cooperation in that moment.
Do you want to see what he wants us to do? We can't force her to do anything.
Yeah, unless you don't see me completely naked, I suggest you don't come in the room.
Okay.
That's an important point. Odd behavior isn't automatically a crime, and the initial goal here is safety, not punishment. But then the situation escalates into a physical confrontation, and once it crosses into assault, everything changes.
What are you gonna do about it?
We're just here to make sure you're okay.
I'm perfectly okay. So what are you gonna do about it?
I'm here to make sure you're okay.
Okay.
We don't need to have
I'm okay.
back up.
Look at, hey,
We don't need to have
I'm okay.
back up.
Back
Look
up.
it, look
Back
it.
up, stand over there. Don't
Okay.
touch me.
One officer spells it out. She's going to jail because she came at his partner and then kicked him.
Back up. If you do that again,
Do you want to go to jail?
Understand?
Izzy, please do not. Izzy, please do not.
Go down. Arrest me. Arrest me. You brought this. You brought this.
No, he didn't bring this. You did this all on your own.
All you.
Wait, this was on me? Wait, this was on me?
Just stop.
This was on me?
Just stop.
This was on me? You!
You're correct.
I swear to God!
By the end, she's transported to the Polk County Jail and charged with assault on police officers ×2. Also worth noting, the video is heavily redacted at one point for privacy because of a wardrobe issue during the altercation. And the call itself? Officers later note it was dispatched as domestic, but they say there was no fight reported to them before the escalation. Now the big question everyone's going to argue about: mental health, drugs, or something else. We can't diagnose off body cam, but demonic is a description, not an explanation. The practical takeaway is, when someone's convulsing or foaming, treat it like a serious medical crisis and tell dispatch exactly what you're seeing. So what do you think this was? Mental health, substances, or something else? Suspects are alleged unless convicted. Laws vary by state. Educational, not legal advice.